What's up, guys? I hope you had a wonderful Friday. I will show you my trade that I took on EURUSD right now, and I hope you can learn some things from this. So, let's start off with the 1 hour chart. Pretty simple. Price made here a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then came back into the order block, made a new higher high, and mitigated that 15-minute order block. So let's have a quicker look at this. We can clearly see the 1 hour order block right here. Everybody sees this, but what we have on a lower time frame, on a 15-minute, we got this 15-minute order block. As you can see, this order block was not the move that broke this structure point. The 15-minute order block was the point that broke the structure point. So I was looking for this potential setup because that was the one that broke this structure level right here. So James has marked off these levels, and I completely agree with him. These are also good levels, but I personally was looking at this. I also saw this too, but I saw this liquidity. That's why I was taking trades from these areas right here or this area right here. I was looking to take it from here. So I think this is very clear. This was the 1 hour order block. As we can see here, let me turn the music a bit down, it's a bit noisy. So, and as we can see on the 15-minute, we got this order block and the break of structure and liquidity. You don't need to look at much more than this, personally. I think so. We'll go to the lower time frame and dive straight in why I took the entry. And I think I need to do this on a 1 minute also. So let's go to the 1 minute. And let's go back to this point. So price was clearly coming into our order block. As you can see here, price came in and mitigated that order block. It wasn't the 50%, but it was very close. So let's have a look at this. Now price, let's go a bit back like this. Potentially we could argue that people took this order block to go short from, and price wanted to induce people with this candle, and people took the short right here, but price then went through because price created this order block. Now price was moving very clearly, and after I saw this move I saw the break of structure from here to here. Clearly price broke below the swing point, not this level, little levels. Clearly we can see this got also broken, but I was looking for the break of this structure to give me a confirmation that order flow could change into the bearish side. Clearly order flow was very bullish here, and I was looking for this break to give me the confirmation for order flow to be bearish, if that makes sense. So now when I saw this, I placed my entry. The stop loss is on 3 pips because my broker has a bit widespread. Sadly, it's like 6 pips on EURUSD, and that's 0.6 pips, 0.6 pips, and that's a bit much in my opinion, but I guess it is what it is. And after I placed the setup here, I didn't saw this at first, and I was looking at the price once again, and then I saw this, that price didn't react it at this order block, so it made a flip, and that was another confirmation in my side that the price could potentially react at this area. So price came into the area, I got tagged in, and now there's a potential another entry if you look closely. Let me move this out of the way. So price came back above, mitigated this area, and now we can see this order block that is right here. We have a break of structure clearly, and you can also, in my view, you could also take this trade. There's nothing wrong with that. As you can see, got mitigated and price was pushing down. So now, how would I manage this? As you can see, price came down, but didn't make a break of structure, so I was waiting. And price came up to my entry, came down once again, and broke this structure level. So for me, that's a break of structure, and I move my stop loss a bit closer to my entry at this high point. Actually a bit higher because of the fucking spread. So yeah, price came down, came up again, made a little correction, and then broke down once again. So we had another break, or not, let me zoom in. It wasn't quite a break, as you can see, but as it's Friday and I want some money to be locked in, I moved my stop loss to this area. But I have to say that was kind of an emotional decision, because yes, I want the money and I'm not want to lose again, and I also have to agree that was an emotional decision. I could work on this decision pretty well. So now price was heading down clearly and is still heading down, and also we made another break of structure here, so I moved the stop loss to this point. And I don't really like to put my stop loss above some highs where just one candle is. If it's two, okay, you could argue, but one candle, that's a bit too less for me. So price, I don't know where it's currently. Let's remove this. So actually, wait a minute, I need to move my stop loss. So what I did right now is I put stop loss on this high right here, because we had a break of structure from here, and then price came back above. Now, as you can see, this is a little correction. I put my stop loss at this high because I put the stop loss right there because we made a break of structure right here, and that's an area. If price comes back to this point right here, I'm lucky to be taken out, because price shouldn't come to this area once again. Once it comes to this area, my trade is done and I'm finished for the day. But currently it's looking fine, and my take profit isn't at this level. I have no take profit set, because to the downside there is not, let me go to the 15-minute. There is this area that price could potentially react to, because it's an order block or a supply area, demand area, sorry. That's still a bit confusing for me, supply and demand. I don't know which one is either, but demand is at the bottom, supply at the top. Because we had a break of structure here, and that makes this a valid order block or demand area, because it's kind of a range. If you look right here. So yeah, price could turn around, but I will not move my stop loss right now because it would be stupid. Price could also not react on this and just push down. So my stop loss is set, I'm in profit, and yeah. I will stop the recording now and I will update you what price is doing when it's either hitting my stop loss or when it's going down more. So yeah, let's see. So, pretty funny, huh? I'm back. Oh, music way too loud. So, recording is still working. So, don't hate me, I'm doing this not daily, these videos. And I made a video long time ago, but I need to get back into the flow, if you know what I mean. And so, the importance of a fucking stop loss. Perfect example. You can go back. No, you don't need to go back. I stopped the recording, my stupid ass. So, yeah, pretty much got taken out. I got taken out right here, actually, because the market. My broker is pretty shit, gotta say. Pretty shit, but I'm funded right there, so I can't change. Looking for capital, and then I will go to IC markets, hopefully, if I can trade right. So, but as you can see, my stop loss was still there. I got taken out right here, and that's pretty much it. All the other stuff I mentioned and explained to you what price is doing right now. Pretty interesting, to be honest. Pretty fucking interesting, man. So price was going for mitigation of that order block. Let's don't be so messy, and actually I need to. Sometimes I ask myself also if I need to take this order block right here, or if I should look for this blue one. So I don't know, to be honest. And if you ask me, I will take this one. To be honest, I will take this one. Because this is way too high, and if price comes to this area, then it looks like liquidity to me. When price comes like this high, then to this area, and then goes down, it creates liquidity that is sitting above the area. So I will monitor this area. But I closed out this trade that we were focusing on. But yes. Okay, Steam in the background open, making some updates. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much and want to stop the recording now. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will respond to everybody. I try to make this very short, clear, and really how do you say it? Transparent, yes, transparent. And probably gonna show you some my profits too on the MetaTrader, but not today. You don't need to know how much money I made. Nah, fuck the money. Let's get better at trading. So I really need to stop now. So have a great Friday, have a great weekend. I hope you are all doing well, and yeah, speak soon.